In this STAR-CCM tricks and tips video, we'll demonstrate a couple of graphical user interface shortcuts that make interacting with your CFD model a SMAT. First, getting contextual help is as easy as clicking on an object in the simulation tree and hitting F1 on your keyboard. Second, common graphical window viewports, top, side, and front views, can be accessed through the hotkeys T, S, and F. And a viewport reset is accessed through hotkey R. Too many objects shown in your simulation tree? Collapse them all by right-clicking on the simulation file name and choosing Collapse Tree.